Hi everyone. So in this video I am going to explain about how to write hello world program in C language. So this is the first C program. See, I just want to display a message hello world on the output screen. So normally output screen we can call console. Where we can see the output, we can call it as a console. I just want to display a message hello world on the console. How can we write? Program execution in C language starts with a function called main. So what is function? A block of instructions that performs a task. Now sir, what is the task we are performing? Yes, we are going to print a message on the console. Every program execution starts from the main function. Briefly we will discuss in functions concept. How can we define the function? What is the syntax of the function? Classifications and all the things. But simple thing, every C program execution automatically starts with the main function. Right? Here we can write main like this. If you want to follow the rules exactly, int and here return 0. If you are not writing these two things also, the program will execute. But if they ask, tell me exactly about that main function. This is actually called return type. Now you cannot understand, but just remember that program execution starts from the main function. I just want to print a message on the screen. Right, again for that we are using another function called printf. Printf is one library function. So whatever the message you want to display, that you have to specify. We know already a collection of characters is nothing but a string. We have to pass the message in double quotes. Hello world. Hello world is a message. So that we are printing on the screen. The message you need to display with the double quotes. But remember, whenever we are using the predefined function, we have already discussed about the library. Printf function belongs to stdio.h header file. So we need to connect our program to that stdio.h header file. We need to connect. How can we connect? Means using #include. Here we need to specify that header file name stdio.h. stdio.h header file contains the predefined function printf. Whenever you are using printf function, then we need to include that stdio.h header file. This is the simple way of writing the first C program to print hello world message. #include is a preprocessor directive. That #include is responsible for connecting the library files, header files to our C program. You need to specify the header file in angular brackets. Using this, we are using this printf function. Printf function is responsible for printing the hello world message on the console. Program execution automatically starts from the main function. Okay, this is the simple way of printing hello world message in C language. Hope you understood. Please subscribe the channel.